Everything in the universe vibrates, including you. Certain frequencies can heal, attract abundance, and manifest your desires. 174 Hz relieves pain, heals trauma. 285 Hz repairs tissues, boosts recovery. 396Z releases fear, attracts abundance. 417 High clears negativity, helps transformation. 432 A's aligns with nature, promotes peace. 528 AZ, the miracle tone, repairs DNA. 639Z strengthens relationships, brings harmony. 741C detoxifies, enhances intuition. 852 AZ awakens inner strength, connects to higher self. 888Z, the wealth frequency, attracts prosperity. 963C, the divine frequency, for spiritual enlightenment. Listen to these frequencies for a few minutes daily, feel the energy shift, and manifest your desires effortlessly. Your transformation starts now. Tune in, align, and attract abundance.